my babies. It's your girl Where Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama now, because we litty over here. Without further ado, we got a package that came in today. I put it in this box because it's like huge. I'm gonna open it. I really hate boxes and stuff touching me. Like, oh my goodness. Ain't no telling where this package is been. So we're gonna try to I don't know. You can tell they didn't open it. Hold on, y'all, because I don't want my address to be showing. We're using the tape, people. I'm still here. Hold on, y'all. Like, I'm really having technical difficulties opening up this darn package. Here goes the package right here. I do know where this is from. This is from AliExpress because I only had one thing coming from them and one thing only. And I have been waiting some time. It's just like with AliExpress, you don't know if they're going to flag something or if it's going to be sent. It's like the waiting game. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Y'all, I purchased this because I thought it was so cute. And I think in the dupe community, they call items that don't exist, I think, like unicorn items or something, because it's like an item basically that never came out. So yes, this is Birkin, because it ain't a real Birkin. But when I seen this, I thought it was so cute because it's definitely giving me Y2K vibes. If you understand the fashion of Y2K back in the day, where it was what was it? Jean, airbrush t-shirts, wearing earrings, bamboo earrings and hearts that said baby girl or princess, and like name belts and necklaces, and it was just, you had to be there. You had to be there. Like, just back in the day, just blue jean. And I see that denim is, I'm not gonna say making a comeback because denim has always been a thing, but it seems like for some reason it's like making a I don't know, it's like it's reintroducing itself, I guess you can say, because everything is like denim. I know Coach, they always do their like yearly denim thing or something. Now they're starting to do it a little frequently, and you know, it's just denim is just like the it thing. They're starting to bring back like the different patchworks where you'll see like the light, mid denim or dark denim patchwork hats and outfits and bags, and denim with rhinestones and stuff like that. So I just seen this patchwork and thought it was so cute. And yeah, and as you can see, it has like the denim, like the blue jean. Like, I thought this was so cute. And okay, I was gonna say, I know they unlocked the lock. I don't even got the key. It comes with this little denim lock. Now, if y'all hear something in the background, it's my chair. I don't want y'all to think I'm just so comfortable on here passing gas. I'm not. I promise you I'm not. So we open this. Y'all know how you, well, I don't know how you open a Hermes bag because I don't got one. So wait, let me see how you do this. I don't want to break nothing. I just thought it was so cute. I'm guessing, is the key in here? Yeah, the key's in here. So the key is in this little thing. It's like attached to it, which is cute. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. Like, I'm definitely trying to get, I ain't gonna say pieces, because y'all know I'm not like a girly girl, so I ain't gonna be up here like, I'm about to get a girl's a fashion. That's not me. I wear t-shirts, jerseys, tennis shoes, leggings, jogging pants, barber shorts, booty. I wear little booty shorts to show these legs. Legs and hips and body. I don't got no body, but I do shorts. So yeah, I don't wear like, and I wear maxi dresses. But when it comes to like putting pieces together, I never been that girly girl. Oh, my forehead is foreheading. Like, yeah, I got a relaxer today. And you know, the forehead be foreheading. I already got a big head. I don't need it to protrude anymore. But anyway, yeah, I'm just like getting my pieces together when it comes to just like hats. I'm a big hat fanatic, especially in the summertime. I love hats. And, you know, I kind of want to do a play thing on like matching my hats with my purses. This was a purchase. I don't even think I unboxed this on video, but I might do a video just showing my recent hat purchases. But I have bought this, and I thought this was so cute. Because I actually have the LV Dupe denim little, I think it's the beady purse. So I had got this, and when I seen these two, I was like, you know, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. So I'm just talking because I'm excited. This purse is so cute. I'm trying to open it. And it opens like the Birkin. And it came with a bubble wrap, which we can always respect that because it helps keep its shape. It did come with a strap, because on the back part it has like this strap, but I'm probably not gonna wear it as a crossbody. I'm just probably gonna carry it as like a handbag, and then I'll probably use like some type of purse extender in the back or something, just something cute to just give it like a chain type of gothy look. Or do they, what word they use? Gothy? Y'all know me. I'm gonna be just extra. I'm just gonna be extra with it. So here we go. The inside. What the inside looking like? We got a functional zipper pocket and then 2 pockets. So let's get into that. Zipper, and then the two pockets right there. Functional. No, it does not say Hermes or Hermes, however you want to pronounce it. It doesn't say that in the front, because usually, you know, it would say that like right here. It doesn't say that because once again, this was never a thing. It didn't never come out. It's just a dude, a lookalike, a Birkin. So I thought this was so cute, and I want to say this was like, how much was this? $40 something. I don't know if they have it up there anymore, but I'm going to put it up like this without my face in it. So if you need to like take a screenshot, because you know on AliExpress you can search photos, so maybe they can, you know, show you this. Because last time I checked, I couldn't find it, but just search like denim designer purse, denim purse, luxury denim purse. Just use your words, but put denim in it, or you know, just try to search the picture. So let me bring it back some. So yes, y'all, I thought this was such a vibe. And then, you know, of course, because I had to do some research, and I see with like people that wear Birkins, like y'all, they be wearing these big old purse charms and stuff. So I purchased this off of Amazon. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was cute. It's a rainbow bunny, and I figured like I could just, how do you do this? Put this on here. Somebody probably like, no, it don't go. But I thought it was cute. So hold on. Come on now. I swear when I be trying to do stuff, it just don't be working. I don't know. It is. Hold on, y'all. It's really not trying to go on here. Maybe I just put it on the side. I don't know. I gotta figure it out, but something like this. Wait, hold on. Hold on now. I don't know, like something like this. I don't know. Maybe that's doing too much. I don't know. But I definitely wanted to look Y2K-ish, like something, giving pretty much something. But yeah, y'all, this is my designer dupe unboxing of this pretty denim Hermes Birkin jean. And y'all, look, it even got like the jean buckle, you know, where you would put the belt loop right there. This is so cute. So yeah, y'all, and it has a silver hardware. I don't think I mentioned that. And this is cute. This is a vibe. Yes, it's definitely just giving, just throw everything in my bag. Let me throw in a hat, throw some nice shoes, or even a pair of Crocs, because I'm definitely trying to get my Croc game up, because I used to be the people that be like, ew, Crocs is ugly. I would never put those on my feet. How do people wear those? Those are disgusting. And now I'm just like, ooh, I love Crocs. Let me just throw in some Crocs. let me get a pair of Crocs. So I was thinking about making some denim Crocs, but I'm just like, I don't want to be like denim decked out. Or I might still do it. Never know. But I'm definitely trying to get my Croc game up. So it's definitely giving just throwing my hat, throwing some big old shades, my purse. Oh, don't talk to me, paparazzi. No pictures, please. Not today. Not today. With my Crocs on, just very collegiate looking, very business, fashion forward, ready to go, ready to nook if you book. Like, it's just giving. I'm ready. I'm ready for my close up, please. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video of my little unboxing. And y'all, this is a strap. I don't know if I showed that, but I'm not gonna be. I don't know. I might wear this across my D and I might not. I think these type of purses you just need to pump through on the crease of your arm or just carry it. So it's definitely giving spring, summer ready. She ready. I'm definitely ready. But hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope to see y'all guys on the next video. Bye.